If you want to get CapCut on your computer, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. CapCut is a popular video editing app that makes it easy to create short-form content, edit clips, add text, and produce polished videos fast. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install CapCut for free on Windows, and I'll also point out what happens during the setup process, so you know what to expect. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or whatever browser you prefer. In the address bar, type CapCut.com or go directly to the CapCut desktop video editor page. Once the website loads, look for the Download for Free button. This is the option you want if you're installing CapCut on your PC. Click that button, and your browser will begin downloading the installer file. The file name should be CapCut_Setup.exe. After the download starts, give it a moment to finish. Depending on your internet speed, this may only take a few seconds or a little longer. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder. On most Windows computers, you can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar, then selecting Downloads from the sidebar. Inside that folder, find the CapCut_Setup.exe file. Before you open it, make sure it fully downloaded and that the file name looks correct. Then double-click the installer to launch it. Windows may ask for permission and show a security prompt. If that happens, click Yes or Allow so the installer can continue. Now follow the on-screen prompts that appear. The setup wizard will guide you through the installation process step by step. You may be asked to accept the terms, choose an install location, or confirm a few basic settings. Just keep clicking through the prompts carefully until the installation begins. While CapCut is installing, the app may perform a quick system check. This is normal, and it helps make sure your PC meets the hardware specifications needed to run the editor properly. If your computer passes the check, the installation should continue without any issues. Once the setup is finished, CapCut will be ready to open from your desktop or Start menu. You can launch it, sign in if needed, and start editing your videos right away. And that's it. You've now learned how to get CapCut, download the installer, run setup, and complete the basic installation process on your PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.